Alright, so to clear a jam nail out of Ryobis framing gun, first thing we want to do, remove the battery, and then we also want to remove all the nails from the magazine. So I'm going to pull that back. We'll press this little trigger down here. If I press that down, we can push those nails out and let gravity take them all the way out. Now with the nails cleared, we can turn the gun around and you should have an Allen key in the back of your magazine here. I'm going to pull this one out and we're going to be using this to open up the gun. And right on the top of the gun here, we've got two screws that we're going to loosen. One Allen screw on this side and the other one opposite, right over here. So with both of those screws loosened, we can pull that magazine out. It might be a bit stiff opening it up the first time, but it does come away from the top of the gun like that, and you can just pivot it out. And with that open, we've got full access to get into here. Now by now, any jam nail should have fallen out. If you've got something stuck behind the pin, you can reach into that pin and push it back to reset it. And it's also a good time to get into here and clear out any paper or any gunk and residue inside that gun. Because if you've got a buildup of stuff in here, that could be causing your nails to jam. You also want to check into the magazine. There's also a chance that you could have had a jammed nail in there. And once you've checked over everything and you remove that jammed nail, you can push that magazine back up, and all you need to do is tighten these two screws, and then your gun is ready to go again.